Hey everybody, hi and welcome and thanks for joining me. And I've got one sleepy sidekick here joining me. Wyatt's joining me for today's video. I've made them work hard today because I'm traveling next week. So we're trying to work ahead a little bit. Wyatt is the only one to stick it out with me. Zena needed a break. Zena needed a break, right? But for today's video, I have a big FabFitFun box to share with you. Love FabFitFun. It's a style box, a quarterly subscription style box. For $49.99, you get over $200 worth of goodies. And then you have the option to customize and add extras, which I think is why my box is so big. I got a couple extras in this box, so you just pay for anything that you want to add, because you get to customize. So sometimes you get extra offers where you can choose, would you like this or would you like this or this? And if you want to add any of the other items, they'll be fairly reasonably priced, like $10 or $15, and you can get more than one option. So sometimes there's 3 to choose from or 4. And if you pick one, then you could add the second one for $10 or a third one. So I think that's what I did. And that's why my box is so big. But let's dig into this. You do fill out a profile so that you get, because it's a lifestyle subscription, you make sure you get things that fit your lifestyle. Also, sometimes there's wearables, jewelry, clothing. So you want to make sure you get things, even beauty products that fit you and your preferences. All right. Here's one of my extras right here. It's a cozy blanket, I remember now. And here's my box. Let's get it out. Sometimes just dumping is the easiest, right, Wyatt? How pretty is that for the winter box? That is so pretty. So if you do it seasonally, it's $49.99. If you choose to sign up for the annual subscription, you pay $179.99. So you do save a little bit if you choose to pay for the whole year all at once. So my extra here is so cute. What is this? This is the Unhide for Love Not Fur. Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. No animals were harmed in the making of this faux. This is so cute. So this is a fur blanket. Let's dig into this. This was an extra I just had to have. It looked so plush and soft. I couldn't wait to get it here. Let's check this out. Make sure I can open it up so I can show you guys. Ooh. What do you think, Wyatt? You're going to want to curl up on this, aren't you? Aren't you? Does it say anything else on here? No. Unhide for Love Not Fur. That's what it says. And I think they have it so, yeah, it is all fully wrapped up and attached here, but look how plush this is. Love blankets like this. I always want to curl up on the couch with a blanket like this, or a lot of times I'll take them to bed with me because my husband is usually warm, I'm usually cold, and I'm layering blankets on top of me. And he's kicking them off. So I like extra blankets. All right, let's dig into this. I'm sure there's probably a pamphlet that probably talks about it inside this box as well. We'll find out more about it. Yep. So right inside the box, here's what I see. You always get a pamphlet right inside the box. I see Maria Shriver's on the front of this one. And it always tells you about the products that you receive, which I love because a lot of times they'll give you ideas of how to use them, tells you about them. So it says Unhide Little Marshmallow. Stay cozy all winter long with this faux fur blanket. That's a $65 value. I think I only paid an extra $10 or $15 to have it included in my box. And it's a $65 value. So totally worth it in my opinion. I'm excited about it. All right. What else do I have here? So you get some coupons. HelloFresh, has anyone tried this? I've not tried that one yet, but I've thought about it because it would make my life easier, I think. Let's dig right in. First up, what do I see? Soft Focus Glow Drops by Rodeo Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. And this is a 1 full ounce, so it is a full size product. You always do get full size products in here, which I love. Set Focus Glow Drops. Let's see what it says about this. It says, glow on. These drops are formulated to brighten the complexion and provide a radiant priming base for makeup application. Interesting. I think I could use that. And the retail value of this is $55. Next, what else we got here? This says, guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. Original Coffee Scrub. 100% natural exfoliator for smooth glowing skin. Like the little bum here. So this says, lose those pants, you don't need them, where we're going, destination Babe Town, how to use me. Get naked and get wet in the shower, massage, scrub over your entire body, reseal my waterproof bag, keep me in the shower, rinse your bod. Use me 2 to 3 times per week for best results. The ingredients are Robusta coffee for stimulates the collagen and tones your skin. Almond oil hydrates and improves appearance. Vitamin E fades scars and marks. And sea salt to fight bacteria and breakouts. They do suggest that you patch test first if irritation occurs or if you get bits in your eyes. Rinse thoroughly and stop using. If symptoms continue, call a nurse. Anyway, fascinating. I really like this. I like how they have that worded too. That's funny. So what does it say about this one? This one says, Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub. This delicious combo of Robusta coffee grinds, vitamin E, sea salt, and sweet almond oil exfoliates. And it leaves your skin hydrated and feeling softer than ever. And the retail value is $16.95. Can't wait to try that out. Next, Thirsty Hands Super Hydrating Hand Mask. Check those out. Like the little pattern on there. Palm leaves, my favorite. Put your palms in the air if you have tired, dry hands. Formulated with a blend of plant extracts, shea butter, and vitamin E. Thirsty Hands works instantly to smooth and rejuvenate hands back to their best. I like this. You apply to clean, dry hands, remove and unfold the gloves from the packaging, slip them on, and fasten, sit back and relax. And after 15-20 minutes, your hands should feel fab. I really like that too. So this one is... says these gloves feature a blend of plant extracts, shea butter, and the vitamin E to instantly rejuvenate your dry hands, and they're valued at $16. All right, next, Kate Somerville. I get Kate Somerville in my box of Style as well as this one. I love her products; they're awesome. So this is goat milk moisturizing cream, condition and restore. And what does it say about that one? It says, made with lactose from goat's milk, jojoba, and avocado, this gentle formula instantly absorbs into the skin for a healthy glow, and it's valued at $65. So it says, growing up with eczema, my mom would put goat's milk in my bath. Use this cream daily to help replenish and nourish skin. And you're supposed to apply it AM and PM. Here's what it looks like. Awesome. All right, there's more. What's next here? 2020. So this is a nice little journal. Look how pretty that is. It's by Paper Source. Beautiful. That's beautiful. It's a 12-month rose floral planner. Keep track of your appointments, to-do lists, and assignments in this planner, which includes monthly and weekly views, and it's valued at $27.95. That's really nice. All right, what is, oh, I think I paid, this is an extra too. I forgot about these. Love these. Maybe I just picked them as my option. These are so cute. These are slippers. Wait till you see these. Oh. Check these out. Fuzzy slippers. Furry slippers. Are those not fun? Love, love, love. Oh, there's stuff in here. Love these. These are by PJ South. Wyatt likes them too. You like those, buddy? So what does he say about them? Go ahead, you can check them out. Okay, well, Wyatt thinks it's a toy. It's not a toy. You can't take it. PJ Salvage faux trim cable slippers. Keep your feet extra cozy and supported in these comfy slippers. Value $45. I'm so wearing these. I might put them on right now. All right, what else? I have one more item in here. Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler by Dry Bar. This is also a full size. 5 full ounces. This lightweight detangler uses biotin, vitamin B and C, and sea berry oil to protect hair against heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and leaves hair soft and conditioned. $23 is the retail value. So this was a super fun box. There were other items that other people could have received. You can see throughout this pamphlet, there was a necklace and... oh, it was a bracelet, sorry. A bracelet, false eyelashes, a shadow palette, yeah, a little hat and glove set here, as well as a little purse. So there's other items that you could have gotten based on what your preferences are and what you picked, because some of this was also based on your preferences, because you did get to pick. So this was fun. I got all of these for $49.99. So I will put my referral link down below. If you use my link, I believe you get, I think it's $10 off your box. So I will share that down below, and I hope you had fun. I had fun. I love FabFitFun. They always curate the most fun seasonal boxes. Did you have fun, Wyatt? What do you think? He just wants my slippers. He's probably going to try to carry those away and turn them into a chew toy. He has done that before. Oh, I love FabFitFun. All right. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. I so appreciate it. I will put my link down below in case you want to give this a try. I so appreciate you spending time with Wyatt and I today. Please consider hitting that like button. I would love it if you hang out with me and hit that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much for the support. We really appreciate it. Till next time, everyone, I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.